Updating your bathroom vanity is a beginner-friendly project that adds style and storage in just a few hours. To get started, gather your tools. You'll need a stud finder, level, tape measure, drill, caulk, a wrench, screwdriver, pencil, a couple sawhorses, and a drop cloth to cover the floor. Remember to always wear safety glasses and ear protection when using power tools. Measure the width, the height, and the depth of your current vanity to help determine a compatible replacement size. If your vanity has a countertop or integrated sink, measure the full installed size, not just the cabinet. Measure twice to confirm accuracy. Choose a vanity style and countertop material that fits your look. Options range from classic white to bold colors with tops in marble, quartz, or laminate. Make sure it's compatible with your vanity top's hole pattern. To remove the old vanity, first turn off the water supply at the shutoff valves under the sink. If they aren't under the sink, use the main house supply. Next, turn the faucet on to release any remaining water pressure in the lines. Then place a bucket under the lines to catch residual water. Use a wrench to disconnect the water supply lines and the P-trap. Be prepared for a little water to drain. Cut through the existing caulk at the backsplash and along the lines of the base with a utility knife. Lift the vanity top and remove it first. Then unscrew the base from the wall and remove it. Patch any wall holes with spackling. Once it's dry, sand and repaint the surface so it's ready for the new install. Position your new vanity where you want it. Use a stud finder to locate the studs. Then take your level and draw a straight line down to mark your drill locations. Make a small mark that shows you the height of holes you'll drill to secure the vanity. Check for level across the top. If the floor is uneven, use the adjustable feet to level the base. Secure the vanity into the studs with 3-inch cabinet screws. With the vanity top resting on your sawhorses, you've got clear, easy access to the underside. Place the faucet gasket over the tailpieces and thread them through the pre-drilled holes. From underneath, hand tighten the mounting nuts until the faucet seats firmly against the top. Then connect your flexible supply lines to the faucet shanks and give them a final snug with a wrench. Then, feed the drain assembly through the drain opening and set the drain stopper in place. Apply a bead of silicone caulk to the cabinet top. Set the vanity top down and press firmly into place. Once it's seated, check for level. If your kit includes a backsplash, run a small bead of silicone along the back and bottom edge and press it firmly against the wall and countertop to create a watertight seal. Reconnect your supply lines and the P-trap. Turn the water back on and check every connection for leaks. A new vanity updates your bathroom's look and functionality, giving you professional results with a beginner-friendly project. For more advice and all the tools and materials you'll need, visit the Home Depot.